How to change default search engine in Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and as you can see, the search engine is set to Google, meaning if I search for anything, it will be given to me in Google search results. So say for example I wanted to change this to Bing or Yahoo. All what I need to do is I need to click on the three dots at the top right, then scroll down to settings, and here I need to scroll to the basics section, and you can see it says search engine, so click on it, and here you will find all the search engines that you can choose from. So for example, you can set this to DuckDuckGo, to Yahoo, etc. I'm going to set this one for Bing, and then I will go back and I will do the same search, and the results will be now shown to me in Bing, as you can see. So yeah, you can choose any search engine from the ones that are available. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your default search engine in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.